Diamond Painters. So I'm sure you've probably seen a bunch of unboxings of this one, but this is a new one. It is Couch Dragon from Diamond Art Club, and I did get the messed up charting one because it was on a sale, and then I used a discount code, so I did get it. But let's get into this box and see what it is. So I got it yesterday, and yes, they will be coming out with the correct charted one. I think they said in July. So if you want the correct charted one, just wait until July. But I wanted to get the little bit discount, which I think they're giving us 30% off. And then I got a little bit more off using another code. So that's why I did that. But you can wait until they actually have the correct charted one. The chart is not that bad, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It is a round drill one because it has the round symbol on it. It is a 35 by 18, so it's really big. So in here you got your little sticker. So here's your little sticker. There it is. Gives you all your information. You got your standard toolkit with the single or the multi-placer for your heart wax, your boat, and then let's get into this. So I'm not seeing quite yet. Hopefully it's in here, but I'm not seeing the sticker chart, so I might have to ask them about that. Oh, here it is. Good. Okay. So again, here's your stickers. So pre-cut stickers to put if you kit up on your bags or your boxes. Your journaling situation, if you're going to journal, you have these over here. And then you have your little step-by-step instructions. And I don't know if you know, but in here, this code, thank you 10, is always in there. It gets you 10% off all the time. Always in your boxes. So let's go ahead and look at the canvas. So let me flip it around. So it is a really big canvas, okay, and has the dragon sitting on the couch reading a book instead of watching TV. Now, here is where the chart is charted wrong. I'm going to leave it down for right now. As you can see, they charted the green into the frame, so this is supposed to be the matte of the frame, and they put P, which is like a greenish blue color. It's supposed to look like this, okay? So what's going to happen is you can either do that. I've seen people do the 4 around here, and then they do the 4 around here, which is fine, but that's a lot of green to me. So I did see another lady who basically took the cream color drills, which is plus, so your DMC color is 739, and she took a cream powdered eyeshadow and mixed them in and then laid it down, and after she laid it, you could not see this green color anymore, and I really like that. So I'm going to try that. But you got this nice big canvas. It is very long. You can see that you will probably have one bag of 310 because there's just a few 310 outlines. It is not that many 310s. Okay. And let's get into these drills. I think you do have 2 ABs with this one, maybe. 2 or 3, I can't remember. So you do have 54 colors. A 54 color one, and you have just a whole bunch of different colors, not too many of the same colors. And if you can see here, you will notice that some of these bags, even though it's 54 colors, some of these bags are very small, which means the colors are not that many of them out. So when you get a bigger bag, like the oranges will be more, okay. Alright, so let's see. I thought I saw white AB, yep, and orange AB. So you have 2 ABs, You have the white sparkly AB. You have the orange sparkly AB. Then you have your other colors. Okay. And then you have your browns. And your one little lonesome bag of 310. And your greens. Okay. So, 54 colors in here. Even though it's not really that many, 2 per se, you got, I mean, you pretty much got a whole slew of different colors. You have the bright pinks, you have the bright greens, you have the dark blues, the light blues. This one is a good rainbow colored looking one if you're looking for something with a bunch of different hue of colors instead of, you know, same color everywhere. Like I said, you got your greens, you got your browns, you got your dark pinks, your light pinks, your lighter greens, your blues, your light blues. It's not too much of the same color. So that would be fun to work on. And it's super big. Okay, so it's not too big this way, but it's really long this way. So it's only 18 inches this way, but it is 35 inches this way. So this will be the longest one I've done. So there's also a collab gonna go on for the Randall Spangler collection. It is on Facebook. I'm not gonna do this one. I have the Flight of the Fireflies that I'm gonna do, but I am excited to work on this one. But there is one I'm gonna get in that I'm gonna work on first from a different diamond company. Let me show you guys how clear DCA symbols are, you know, with that sparkly look. Of course, you got the soft velvety back. Just your good old quality DAC, like always, Couch Dragon. Again, it does have the misprinted charting. If you're interested in that, you can look at DAC and see if they're going to get any more of these in between June. This one I think is a regularly like $60, and I think I got it for like 30 something with shipping. So then it ended up being like 43 because shipping's like $8 because I only got this one. But I'm okay with this. I think I might do a video together and see how to change this by using those drills and the powder because it looked really good. So an easy fix. I mean, like I said, you can even do the green around. You can do maybe some sparklers or something. I mean, this is an easy fix, so I'm cool with it. But very cute. It is my second one. I have not done a Randall Spangler yet, but I hope you like this unboxing. Please like my videos, and I will see you guys later.